What's up, guys? My name is Tremaine and I'm gonna teach y'all how to play 5 games with a bouncy ball. Let's go. The first game we're playing today is wall ball. The way you play wall ball is you need 2 people and you both need to hit the ball with your hand and it has to hit the ground before it hits the wall. Alright, let's play. Game 2 is catch. You need 2 or more people. Alright, let's play. So the third game is hot potato. The way you play hot potato is you need 2 or more people and you're gonna pass the ball to everyone by hitting the ball with your hands, and the last one with the ball loses. Alright guys, game 4 is 4 square. So the first thing for 4 square is you need 4 squares on the ground and you need 4 people. And the way you play 4 square is you have one person that's the server and they have to hit it in someone else's box and that person has to hit it in another person's box. And the last one standing wins, and the way you get out is by if you miss the ball or hit it in your own square. Alright, let's play. The fifth and final game is ball toss. The way you play ball toss is you need a bucket and 2 people. The first person that makes it in the bucket wins. Let's play. Alright guys, that was 5 ways you can play with a bouncy ball, and maybe sometimes you can come see us out in Skyway Park. Thank you for watching.